Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's just an update on how the grass is doing. Since we spread the fertiliser on it last time, we're just going to see how it's grown. I hope you enjoy this one.
Okay, so here's the grass that we're talking about now. This is about 3 weeks afterwards, and I've given it a cut. I did notice a couple of things. First of all, we do still have some green patches, but they are nowhere near as pronounced as they were. I think it'll need another couple of treatments though. The one thing that I did notice though is over in the thick bits, places like just here, it's made the thick bits grow really thick. So sort of a double-edged sword really. The good bits get really good and possibly a little bit too good, and the bad bits are getting a little bit better. I mean, still not great. Another few treatments I think. We'll keep you updated.
So there we have it. The fertiliser seems to have done its stuff. It's made the good bits better, possibly a little bit too good, because it was a bit of a pain to cut, and the bad bits better, which that was the plan, really, to try and eliminate the light green streaks, which it has done to some extent. I think what I'm going to do is try this process again and revisit it in, say, a month, something like that, just to see how it's actually gotten on. In the meantime, though, usual sort of stuff, like and share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.